We all know that JavaScript can be found almost everywhere on the internet, and it has been named the most widely used programming language several times, with over 63.61% of developers using it as of 2023. So where does the JavaScript story actually begins? So before we come into JavaScript, let's understand a bit about browsers. In 1993, the first graphical browser was introduced in the market. It was called Mosaic, whose founders later created Netscape Navigator, which is now known as Mozilla. During the early days of the web pages were only static. There was no dynamic interactivity or any kind of behavior. This led to Netscape adding a new scripting language to their browser, which ultimately led to the development of JavaScript. In September 1995, exactly 28 years ago, a Netscape programmer called Brandon Ike developed this language in just 10 days. And first it was called Mocha, but then it was renamed to LiveScript and later it was known as JavaScript. At this time frame, something bigger was happening. It was called the browser wars. Microsoft with other browser vendors started having their own scripting language for their respective browsers. So if you were a JavaScript developer back then, you wrote some JavaScript code, your code will only run in Netscape Navigator.